on this one. Okay. Ms. Brooks, the court is going to accept your plea of no contest. The court will find that you are in the competent stand trial. The court will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. The court will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The agreement is for plea of no contest in this case. The state is offering 6 months deferred probation, waiving both time and community service. The defendant will be placed on the mental health caseload and will be required to attend classes at Spindletop following the recommendations and guidelines of Spindletop.
Okay.
When you get to it, Judge, we'll address the.
Okay. What's the court cost?
270.
277. Do we have a copy of her affidavit of injuries? Oh.
Mhm.
Hold on a minute. There's a provision. Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Okay, now, the court, um, accepted her plea of no contest. The court found that she was mentally competent to stand trial. Court also found that a plea and waiver was freely and voluntarily given. The court also found that there is sufficient evidence to find that she's guilty, in this case. The state offered in this case 6 months deferred adjudication probation. No, the state waived the fine, and there's a fine plus court costs and no community service. And what was the other part of the plea bargain?
That she be placed in the mental health caseload. She
Okay,
attend and take classes at Spinal Top, and that she followed the guidelines and recommendations made by Spinal Top.
attend,
Attend,
attend
I guess the right wording would be attend and complete.
and complete, okay.
There was one other thing that's in there.
You said classes at Spindletop? Is that's what it's called? Classes or counseling? What is it? Classes?
I believe both were mentioned on the.
Mental health, caseload, follow recommendations, and,
It's like class.
okay. Okay,
One other thing, Your Honor.
okay, hold on.
Due to our agency, when we get to
Hold on, hold on. And counseling at Spindletop Center. Center. And it says about follow all recommendations. Follow recommendations. Follow recommendations and something.
Guidelines.
Guidelines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right there or not?
Okay. Now, Ms. Brooks, the state is offering that you serve 6 month deferred adjudicated probation. During the 6 month probationary period, you will not be required to pay a fine. However, there's a court cost of $277. There is a family violence center fee of $100. The probation fee is $60 each month. Your analysis fee is $15 each month. There's a reimbursement fee of $15. Now, the total monthly installments is $168 a month. Are you able to pay the $168 a month? No, sir? Okay. Now, where's her, okay. And the court appointed attorney's fees of $250? Hold on a minute. What? Okay, well, hold on. Okay, so that comes to, let me see, I have to redo this. It's 842 plus 250 equal. That's 1092. Actually, that's 218. Actually, it will be 218 a month. However, obviously, if you couldn't pay the 168, you can't pay the 218. Now, where is this here? Now, Miss Brooks, I have before me a document. Actually, it says she was abused. They found that she was injured. Okay, I have before me a document that is titled Affidavit of Injuries, that was signed September 23rd of 2023 by Judge Rick Hughes. In this document, he found that you were indigent. And I know you've been incarcerated continuously since. So the court is also going to find that you are indigent. Based on the finding of indigence, the court cost of $277 will be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. And pursuant to Article 42.652, the monthly probation fee of $60 will also be waived, which means you won't have to pay that either. And therefore, you would have a $100 fee to a family violence center in the Jefferson County area. And you'll be required to pay a reimbursement fee of $15 and a urinalysis fee of $15. So that comes to about $41 a month. Will you be able to pay that?
Yeah.
You will? Okay. Now, you will also be required to participate in the mental health caseload. You will attend and complete classes and counseling at Spindletop, and also you will follow the recommendation and guidelines of Spindletop, as well as the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Ms. Brooks, do you understand the state's offer? Do you think that the state's offer is fair and just? Do you accept the state's offer? Okay, Ms. Brooks, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. Brooks, this will conclude your case. You're gonna have a seat. You're gonna take a seat in that first chair by the wall. And when they finish with your paperwork, you'll be free to follow the bailiff. Oh, and if there's nothing else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today. Now, your attorney has a document that is titled Model Written Admonition on Ineligibility to Possess a Firearm or Ammunition. So in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176, the court hereby admonishes you of the following. Number one, you are by entry of order or judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Beginning now, if you possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number three, under Texas Penal Code, Section 46.013, firearms mean any device designed, made, adapted, or adapted to expel a projectile or a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. The statutes listed below are a starting point for ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition lasts, the court recommends that you contact an attorney. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.292, Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.0131, Notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02, unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse, neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code Section 85.026, warning on protective orders. Now, Ms. Brooks, as I stated, this will conclude your case. You're gonna have a seat in the chair by the wall and wait for the paperwork. Once you get the paperwork, you can follow the bailiff. And if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, Ms. Brooks, you should be getting out today. Okay? Okay. And this will conclude the calling in the court's jail review docket on today's date, January 11th, 2024, in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Everyone, please have a blessed day. We'll be in recess till 1 o'clock.